Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems here in Lecanto, Florida, home of the Access Point heat exchangers and Blue Baron truck mounts. We have some filter boxes here, and they're really good size. They're the large filter box, and as you can see, we got a beautiful housing in here with a stainless perforated debris basket and really nice lid, very sturdy, 1/4 thick marine aluminum. So this thing is very, very sturdy. We've got good brackets at the bottom, all four corners for steady mounting on any location in your truck or trailer. And as you can see, we have inlets here at 2.5 and 2, and then we have a drain at the bottom where you can put a gate valve. And on the back is your return line going into your tank. And typically it would go in on the inlet side of a tank like this. We would use appropriate bushings for the proper size. And if you wanted it to go down to a 2, we go from a 2.5 down to a 2. And then, of course, we use the proper pipe size for a 2 3/8 hardwall hose that would go to the inlet of the recovery tank. And as you can see, these just really nicely built, nicely TIG welded. And what we do is also we can put cam locks on the inside so that when it comes over, it can disconnect and easy clean out. You've seen on our previous filter box has that setup. We can do the same for this as well. So you have a choice of 2.5 and 2. One side can be plugged and the other can be active. Or you can have both depending on the size of the hose that you have. We have multiple inlets on all our recovery tanks. And look at the deep skirting. You never see that on a lid, which gives you really good seal. A real nice fit. Beautiful TIG welding. Look at that. All beaded up beautifully. That's a 3/16 7 gauge all marine aluminum tank with multiple ports, inlet ports. We've got multiple drain ports at the bottom. That one is at 3-inch. That one's at 2-inch. And then we also have our pump out 1 1/4 for your ProChem float valve, as well as the inlet going into your macerator pump or pump out system. And we also have a high flow pump out at 12 gallon per minute, 12 to 13 gallon per minute. So we'll be selling those online at, it'll be right on the navigating side page where on the menu, and it'll read Blue Baron gallon guzzler pump out system. So it has a high flow rate, and you can get a lesser flow rate if you want. We sell a lot of pump out units, those for recovery and quick recovery, especially if you're dropping a lot of water and you need to get a lot of recovery going on in large volumes. But at any rate, another thing I wanted to say is that when you add on these filter boxes, they do cut back the sound. It gets nice and muffled. All our units are really nice because we use, very, very good decibel dampening silencers for those noise sensitive areas. These tanks also come in 60 gallon as well. And we'll also be building an over the wheel well type recovery tank, just like this one over here, this old El Diablo. I've got my factory building one just like it so that it can fit over other areas of your cleaning unit, whether it be the trailer, box truck, Sprinter, or any kind of van. We try to go all out on our accessory lines, and we've done really well with this industry. We've been very busy for April of 2026. As you can see, it's been a very busy shop. We're shipping out all the time and every week and doing all that we can for the industry. We've been 20 years in the business, and we've got a passion for what we do. As you can see, we put out high quality units. And so if you want to call us anytime or come down to test our units, 727-505-2989. We'll schedule an appointment, or go online on our truck mount store, truckmountstore.com, 24/7. If you choose to get a 54 gallon, we can also set you up with a beautiful 54 gallon mighty tank with these really heavy duty bulkheads. Look at that bulkhead inlet. That's your outlet. This is your inlet, and that's your return line on that side. We also put all the solenoids and the dump solenoids on those tanks, as well as we do for the aluminized tanks. If you decide to upgrade, just look at our pricing. If you need a proposal, call us and we'll email you a proposal for any one of our truck mount units. We have 8 models, and they start around 12 and they go up as high as 28,000. We also have a subwell unit, both for the Compact Series 45 and for the Economy 36s and 45s, as well as the regular large consoles. So again, look us up online at truckmountstore.com or call us at 727-505-2989. My name is Pete. I'm the owner of Blue Baron. 20 years in servicing and providing the best in the industry. And we've just been really very busy, and like 20 years of a lot of truck mount builds and a lot of heaters. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.